Tonight we are talking Patient Zero. We're talking a whiskey that I experienced when I was still very young. I remember going on holidays. My dad was a fisherman, and every morning, 3 o'clock, he would get up, go fish a whole day, and in the afternoon, late afternoon, he would come back. And it was my job to pour himself a nice whiskey, ice, with a little bit of soda water or sparkling water. We're using the Soda Stream, and that was his little bit of a comfort, having a nice stiff one just before we start a fire and make a nice barbecue, or in South Africa we call it a braai. So that was a nice memory for me. And of course, the taste always changed over the years depending on the budget, and the whiskey that got me started, and I must admit it was quite a young age, not even old enough to actually drink, but coming from beers was disgusting. I couldn't understand why people would drink beer. Bitter, definitely not for me. And of course the whiskey itself, I could not really understand it, but being a teenager, maybe in my 16, 17, you need to experience certain things. And one of them was the whiskeys. And every time that I poured my dad a drink, I need to make sure it's not poison. I need to ensure that it is okay, perfect temperature, perfect strength. So I had to take a sip of two. What am I talking about? This is it. White Horse Fine Old Blended Scotch Whisky from the White Horse Distillery, 40% ABV, probably colored, chill filtered, but it's about the memory of it. And I'm quite looking forward to giving this a little bit of a memory taste. See what it's all about, and if it's still disgusting, or was it an improvement? So it's not going to be a long video. It's all about what happened to me many years ago. And I must also add that this is the first time that I tried this one, probably when I was about 21, 22, was the last time that I've tried this White Horse. So quite an interesting one. Color-wise, probably a little bit of color added to it. It is a no age statement whiskey. But I'm looking forward to the nosing and tasting. So on the nose, White Horse, cheers. I cannot complain. I can clearly remember the nose on this one. It's not strong, 40% ABV. Well, when I first tasted it, 40% for me was wow, 40%. It's crazy. After the journey, it's almost nothing alcohol-wise on the nose. It's sweet. That caramel notes come in. A little bit of a raisiny note. Not complex. There is a hint of a smoke. And apparently that smoke comes from Lagavulin. They also have some Craigellachie in this one. And I do have a fondness for Craigellachie, 13, 17, 19, 23. And if you are interested in those ones, I've got videos up, so you can also go have a look at it. So they come from a nice pedigree of whiskies. But it's not complex. That smoke, it's barely there. And it's not something that you are going to pour and sit back and think it is for the enthusiast. I don't think so. It is just for the people. Well, it is the end of the month here in Belgium. Things are tight with money. So what do? You buy something cheaper. Not everybody can afford that 100, 200 euro bottle whiskey. I think for me, if I am at a pub somewhere and this is available, definitely something that I would pick up. And if you do spend a little bit of extra time on this one, it feels like there's a smoke just becomes a little bit more. Quite interesting whiskey on the nose. Not a complex one. Please don't send me a message or comment. This is nonsense. We should not be drinking this. It's not for you, my friend. This is for people that have a real tight budget, and I think that people on the nose wise are going to be quite happy with this one. So on the taste, cheers. It's lovely. It's not in your face. It's not bold. It's not punchy. It's subtle. There's a lovely sweetness, a toffees, a caramelly note, a little vanilla note that comes out. It's smooth as silk. And it is just lovely. It's something that I think you can pour it, have a fun time, and you are not going to worry about the money. Money-wise, no, talk about money. Cheapest chips, €18.50 for this bottle. And I ordered it in Holland. They delivered it within 24 hours. I ordered 3 bottles. And we will talk about the 3 bottles over the 3-part series. And of course, at the end, I will do a comparison between the cheapies. Now, they only charged me €5.90 for the delivery. A big box with 3 bottles, bargain prices. So I'm quite looking forward, budget-wise, to give something to you guys as well. If the budget is a little bit tight, what do you drink? Now, oh my word, it is lovely. One more try. More vanillas, that toffee note coming through, but then again, do not expect the world for €18.50. But if you are new to whiskey, you are a beginner with whiskey, you don't want to spend too much money, I think this is something that I would suggest. Give it a go. There's no bitterness. It just covers the mouth with nice toffee notes and sweetness. But then again, for €18.50, I think it is a good thing. I think it's a good whiskey. It's a pleasant whiskey. And of course, sometimes you have to add a little bit of ice. Your way to drink it. Also, you can add a little bit of soda water. For me, I am past the soda water stage. I used to drink it with soda water many, many years ago in my 20s to 25. Maybe a little bit older. It always was with a little bit of soda water, the way my dad drinks it, and the way my brother drinks it, soda water or a little water and ice. That's like a religion. That is, you grew up that way, so you tend to stick to that way. Until I came to Belgium and single malts, and you have this lovely flavor, so I stopped doing that a long time ago. But this one, definitely a winner if you are on a tight budget. So what do you think? Have you tried the White Horse? Am I talking nonsense? Is it something that you really hate? Some of them, like the Johnnie Walker Red Label, for me, it's it's a little bit window cleaner. But I also have a Johnnie Walker surprise in one of the next 2-3 videos. So leave a comment, and of course, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I see you next time with another budget review. Cheers.